I made $3,847 last week using AI, and I'm about to expose exactly how. No BS, no scams, just real methods that actually work. What's good, YouTube family? I'm Vinayak Gupta, and today we're breaking down the top 5 AI moneymakers that are crushing it right now. Smash that like if you're ready to level up. Method number 1, content creation. ChatGPT plus Pictory equals instant YouTube videos. I'm literally making $500 per video doing this for clients. 10 videos per week. Boom, boom, boom. Number 2, AI art. Midjourney creates insane designs. I sell them on Redbubble, Amazon merch. Passive income machine. From zero artistic skills to 5-figure monthly revenue. Method 3, become a superhuman freelancer. GitHub Copilot writes code for you. ChatGPT handles emails. You 10x your output and charge premium rates. Same hours, triple the income. That's the AI advantage. Method 4, build AI apps with Bubble.io. Method 5, teach others what you learn. The AI gold rush is now, and I'm giving you the exact blueprint. Which method are you gonna try first? Drop it in the comments right now. And if this just saved you years of trial and error, smash that like button. But wait, there's one method I didn't mention that's making people rich. Should I reveal it next week? Subscribe and hit that bell for the secret method. I'm Vinayak Gupta. And remember, the AI revolution waits for no one.